Hello, today we learn alphabets with their sound. Let's restart.
A is for apple. A or apple. A or apple. B is for butterfly. B bo butterfly. B bo butterfly. C is for cat. C ko cat. C ko cat. D is for duck. D the duck. D the duck. E is for elephant. E or elephant. E or elephant. F is for fish. F for fish. F for fish. G is for grapes. G go grapes. G go grapes. H is for hen. H her hen. H her hen. I is for inkpot. I e inkpot. I e inkpot. J is for jacket. J jo jacket. J jo jacket. K is for kite. K k kite. K k kite. L is for lamp. L l lamp. L l lamp. M is for mango. M mango. M mango. N is for nest. N nest. N nest. O is for orange. O orange. O orange. P is for peacock. P for peacock. P for peacock.
Q is for queen. Q ko queen. Q ko queen.
R is for ring. R ring. R ring. S is for sun. S sun. S sun. T is for tree. T to tree. T to tree. U is for umbrella. U umbrella. U umbrella. V is for violin. V violin. V violin. W is for wall. W wall. W wall. X is for X-ray. 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 Y is for yo-yo. Y yo-yo. Y yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Z, Z, zebra. Z, Z, zebra.